The real reason your manifestation are not working. Law of attraction truth. Imagine waking up every day, your heart heavy with unfulfilled dreams. That was me not long ago. I used to dream in my mind I will get success in maths. Yes, that everyone's dream. Math was my painful subject. I never ever liked it somehow, and I used to read the maths problem before the exam. Yeah, that was me. Then what happened next? After results, I got only 9 marks. Yeah, that's me. 9 marks. So painful, but at least I thought it is divine number as per numerologist. I was failed in maths, got scolding from my parents. That was me. Daydreaming without taking any concrete action or practicing. I was not aware that time it was a visualization. Only I came to know when results came and my ears became red. Yeah, some old memories. I would spend hours visualizing, affirming, believing, but nothing changed. The universe is not listening to me, it is ignoring my every request. I used to think I was cursed. I used to think I am not lucky. After that maths result, my friends are lucky. They are smart. I am not smart. Like this was my thinking. Then came the same old pressure from parents with their clever words. See, his friends got the job and see our son is sleeping doing nothing. This was when I was jobless and my friends got good placements, that too from college campus. And you know what? My so-called friends used to come to my parents just to show off their achievements. They were not coming to ask me out, but to flaunt how successful they were in life, getting their degrees and jobs. It was irritating to me. No matter how hard I tried, my dreams always shattered. Sounds familiar. It was me. Here is the truth many gurus won't tell you. They are there to sell you courses. Manifestation is not about wishful thinking, that daydreaming I was doing, who reads the math rather practicing. It was me. It's not a magical shortcut to your dreams. Actions are needed. One day I came across the vision board video on YouTube. Then I decided, let us create vision board. I have made my dream vision board by gathering car pictures and making cutouts from paper. And I have done so by following the guru's advice to just look daily at the vision board in hopes that one day it will come true. And I attempted that, but it was unsuccessful, so I destroyed it in dustbin. How many vision boards have you created only to feel crushed when reality does not match up? That disappointment, it eats away at your hope, doesn't it? Listen carefully, my friend. Manifestation is a partnership between you and the universe. It is not a one-way street where you simply wish for something and then sit back expecting miracles to happen overnight. The universe is constantly responding to your energy, your thoughts, and your intentions. But you play an equally important role. Manifestation requires you to meet the universe halfway. It is about inspired actions. That means taking steps no matter how small toward your goals, even when the path is not entirely clear. It is about trusting the process, knowing that every move you make sends a signal that you are ready to receive what you desire. It is not enough to just visualize, and you need to act in alignment with what you are calling in. Whether it is learning new skills, making connections, or simply showing up with positive energy, those actions are what create momentum. Remember, the universe can only do so much if you are not actively participating in your own success. So, don't wait for a sign, be the sign. Take action, stay focused, and watch how quickly the universe responds to your efforts. Try this, my friend. Instead of just visualizing your goal, ask yourself, What is one small step I can take today? Visualization is powerful, but action is where the magic really happens. Maybe it is making that phone call you have been avoiding, sending that email you have been hesitant to write, or finally updating your resume. It does not matter how small or insignificant the step may seem. What matters is that you are taking it. Every action, no matter how small, creates momentum. It sends a message to the universe that you are serious about your desires, that you are not just dreaming but actively participating in bringing those dreams into reality. And here is the thing, when you take that step, you will feel a shift in your energy. It is like a weight lifting off your shoulders. That feeling of progress, even if it is just one small move forward, creates an internal shift that ripples outward. Suddenly, things start falling into place. You meet the right people, opportunity arise, and paths open that you could not have predicted. That is the real manifestation at work. Now, it is not just about wishful thinking, it is about doing. When you combine inspired thought with inspired action, you align yourself with the flow of the universe. You stop waiting for things to happen and start creating the condition for them to happen. The universe rewards efforts, and every time you take a step, no matter how tiny, you are paving the way for your desires to manifest. Now, let us talk about something deeply personal, your emotions. Many of us were taught to push away negative feelings, to just think positive. But here is the painful truth, suppressed emotions are massive manifestation roadblocks. True manifestation is not just about positive thinking, it is about emotional alignment. When you are fully in tune with all your emotions, the good and the challenging, you become a clearer channel for what you want to attract. Remember that time you forced a smile, repeating affirmations while inside you felt like screaming? That eternal conflict, it is exhausting, isn't it? And worse, it is sabotaging your efforts. When you are repeating affirmations that don't align with your true feelings, it creates a battle within. Your mind is saying one thing, but your emotions are screaming another. That dissonance creates resistance, and resistance is the very thing that blocks manifestation. It is like trying to drive a car with the handbrake on. You are putting in the effort, but you are not going anywhere. Here is a life changing practice, emotional honesty. When you feel fear, anger, or doubt, don't push it away. Acknowledge it. Say, I see you, fear. Thank you for trying to protect me. When frustration rises, say, I hear you, frustration. I understand you want things to be different, and that is okay. When sadness shows up, say, I feel you, sadness. Thank you for reminding me of what truly matters to me. When self doubt creeps in, say, I notice you doubt. I know you are trying to keep me safe, but I trust myself now. This might feel uncomfortable at first, but by honoring all your emotions, you clear the path for genuine positivity and aligned manifestation. Let us address the elephant in the room, your iron grip on a specific outcome. You are so focused on the exact job, that precise amount of money, that one perfect relationship. But what if your rigid expectations are actually limiting you? What if the universe has something even better in store, but you are too fixated to see it? Imagine this, you are asking for a job promotion, but what if the universe is preparing you for an entirely different opportunity, a new career, or a business venture that is far beyond your current expectation? By staying open and flexible, you allow the universe to surprise you with something even more aligned with your highest good. So loosen your grip on how things should happen. Trust that the universe knows the bigger picture and be open to receiving more than you could ever imagined. Sometimes the best gifts come in unexpected ways. Here is the powerful shift. Instead of manifesting specific outcomes, manifest feelings. Don't just visualize the house, feel the sense of security and peace it represents. Don't just picture the relationship, embody the love and connection you crave. This opens you up to possibilities beyond your current imagination. The universe might surprise you with something far greater than what you initially envisioned. Now, here is the profound truth that ties it all together. Manifestation is not about controlling the outside world, it is about aligning your inner world with your deepest desires. When you shift internally, taking inspired action, honoring your emotions, and staying open to possibilities, the external must follow. I challenge you to try this new approach for just 1 week. Take inspired action daily, no matter how small. Practice emotional honesty. Focus on manifesting feelings rather than rigid outcomes. Share your experiences in comments below. Let us support each other on the journey of true manifestation. Remember, you are not broken and the universe is not ignoring you. You have just been playing a game without understanding the real rules. Apply what you have learned here and watch as your reality begins to shift in ways you never imagined possible. You have got this, and the universe has your back. Now go out there and create the life you truly deserve.